What's up, anglers? Welcome to a new video. We are now in one of the best moments of the year for fishing because basically we have several species around. We have now the sea bass, quite a lot. We have also mackerel. We have other tunics. We have 3 or 4 more species that we can easily fish during the same day. So today I have taken the Yamaga early 105 because I'm planning to not only fish with stick baits and minnows, as you can see, but also with some metals, different kind of metals. I have more in this side of the box, and I have also other stick baits, but basically stuff to cast far, looking for the mackerels and other little tunics. But the plan today is gonna be, first of all, to try here in these very shallow and calm waters. Maybe also in the other side, although the wind is coming from there, directly from here. I don't know if you can see the rod moving because it's quite windy, and so here this zone is perfect because we are gonna cast within the same direction of the wind. So the plan is gonna be basically to look for sea bass here, and then maybe to go in the very tip of those rocks there and try to find some mackerel or tunics. So let's go. Well, guys, I have started with the right spotter for fishing with a Texan hook because it looks like very natural, and it has been very efficient the last time that I tried it. But there are a lot of algae, so it was difficult to fish like this, and then I changed for a surface lure, the Chappy 100. But sea bass seems to not be very active now, so now I'm gonna change to some metals, and I'm gonna cast off the rocks and see if I catch some mackerels or tunics. So I was looking for tunics and mackerels, and look, such a nice sea bass with a jig. I was retrieving quite fast, so I thought that it was a big mackerel or something, but no, it was a bar. Very nice fight. Let's gonna unhook this guy and release it. So totally unexpected. Fish a bar, to fish a sea bass with a jig, casting fast, casting far, sorry, and retrieving fast. Very strange. Very nice. Oh, cannot be. Yes. What is it? Oh, mackerel. Yes. That's it. A mackerel. That is what we were looking for. And I already did this little line. Close. Well guys, until here the fishing session. As you have seen, very nice fishing session. I have tried with surface lures, with plastic baits for the sea bass and nothing, and then I changed looking for the mackerel, and it has been when I was looking for the mackerel with some jigs and other heavy stick baits that I fish a very nice sea bass, as you have seen, and also some mackerel. I'm still seeing a lot of attacks of different seabirds, probably because there are more mackerel there, and I'm gonna leave the session fishing here. If you have enjoyed the video, please subscribe and wait for more content. See you.